Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with Kyle. Today we are doing a vegetarian dish requested by one of my subscribers, Mr. Cody Morrell. Check out his YouTube channel here. Alright, let's start cooking. Today we will be making creamy stir-fried tofu. I have here garlic, sugar, oyster sauce, mayonnaise, onions, bell pepper, salt, black pepper, and fried tofu. Make sure your tofu is fried because you don't want a mushy stir fry. First, let's make the stir fry sauce. I will be mixing oyster sauce and sugar in the mayonnaise. I'll be mixing it with a fork so it's even. I will be adding salt and pepper. Okay, let's put this aside and start sauteing. Before we start cooking, make sure your parent or guardian is watching you. Okay, let's add the cooking oil. And let's spread. Make sure you wait for the pan to get hot. Okay, let's add the onions. Make sure the onions are translucent. When you're sure it's done, add the garlic. Yep. Oh, it smells good. Now add the bell peppers. Ow, 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 ow. Make sure the bell peppers are a little bit tender before you add the sauce. Okay, if you think you're good, add the sauce. I can show you how to be strong. The real way, let me show you how to be strong. The real way. And I want to inspire you. I want you to rock it when I talk it was a fire in you. Wait for it to get a little oily. Now we're ready to add the tofu. Okay, mix it well and you're almost done. Make sure all of the tofu is evenly coated. And you're ready to serve. Okay, scoop some to your plate. and eat. This is one of my favorite vegetarian dishes. If you like it, share with your family and friends, and thank you again, Cody, for requesting this video. If you haven't seen my first cookie video, click right here. If you want to see my fruit bowl video, click right here. If you haven't subscribed yet, click down here. Don't forget to like and share, and see you in the next one. Bye!